Funny noises from the body this morning. My name is Mehro, and this is a performance I got for Atwood, and I hope that you enjoy it. First song I'm singing for you is called Dopamine. I've been wrestling match with myself again, wonder who's gonna win. Someone on one side, put her on the drum line, maybe they'll be friends. Who knows what they say, who knows when the feelings change. Miranda's on the porch swing, Kyle's got a diamond ring, maybe had a mouse hair. And all the kids doing drugs, getting out, getting fucked, wonder how it really feels. Who knows what they say, who knows when the feelings change.